I'm from Einstein High School, and we're starting Unit 2, Topic 3 with question 38. Joe's Body Shop charges $25 for parts and $50 per hour to fix the brakes on a car. Kathy's Body Shop charges $70 for parts and $40 per hour for the same type of work. Let X represent the length of time to fix the brakes on a car. Part A. Write an expression for the amount that Joe will charge to fix on a brake. Alright, so let's just go up. We have Joe's Body Shop charges $25 for parts and $50 per hour to fix the car. So we need an expression. Okay, so no matter what, it's going to cost $25 for the parts. That's our starting point. Plus, it's going to cost $50 per hour. And that per is important. That's what tells us to multiply. So that's our expression for Joe. Okay. Kathy's body part charges $70 for parts and $50 per hour. So we start with $70 for Kathy plus $40 per hour. There's A and B. We have an expression for each body shop. When will the amount charged by Joe and Kathy be the same? Show how you determined your answer. Well, the same in math means equal, right? So we want to know, when is Joe going to equal Kathy? All right, so what we're going to do, instead of Joe, I'm going to use the expression we came up with in part A. So that's 25 plus 50H. And instead of Kathy, I'm going to use the expression we came up with in part B, 70 plus 40H, and set them equal to each other. So now we have an equation here with variables on both sides, and we are going to solve. Our goal is to get our variables to one side and our numbers to the other side. I'm going to start with the variables. I need to get rid of that 40H. I just picked 40 because it's smaller. Could you subtract 50H from both sides? Sure. I just try to ignore negatives as best as I can. And so in this case, we have 25 plus 10H is equal to 70. So we're done with our variables for now. Let's deal with our constants or our numbers. I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. Why 25? Well, I'm trying to get the numbers to the other side, and since 70 is over there by itself, we're going to allow 25 to join it. So I use the subtraction property of equality there. We're left with 10H equals, what is that going to give us? 70 minus 25, that's going to be 50. 45. And my final step is to divide both sides by 10. And I am going to end up with H is equal to 4.5. So after 4.5 hours, the amount will be the same. And that's going to do it for question 38.